Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. On this channel, I like to showcase the automotive culture and the positive impact it has on the community. And whether you're a car enthusiast or you like anything about cars, please be sure to hit the subscribe button for future videos. So on today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of my Titan exhaust for my Nissan GTR R35. And whether you bought a GTR or you're thinking about buying a GTR, stock, the car sounds like a vacuum cleaner. One of the first mods that you're going to want to do is an exhaust. Now there are many different combinations of the full exhaust system that you can do, whether it's catted downpipes, catless downpipes. The exhaust can be muffled or straight pipe. There's many different types of combinations. And hopefully this video will help you guys decide whether if this is the right exhaust for you. So the structure of the video, I'm going to give you guys some information of the exhaust, and then we're going to do some real live footage of what the exhaust sounds like, and then finally we'll end the video with some in-cabin sound clips. For consistency's sake, I'm using the same microphone setup. So first, this is a full titanium exhaust. It's 102 millimeters, which equates to about 4 inches. Obviously, the biggest upside for the exhaust being titanium, you're getting a huge weight savings. So the stock exhaust weighs roughly about 66 pounds. This exhaust system comes in roughly at half, so right about 33, 31 pounds. Also to note, you can't run this exhaust with stock downpipes. You have to upgrade your downpipes. The setup that I'm running and that you'll hear is going to be AMS's Catless Downpipes. The decibel level, at least in my opinion, is ideal. Inside the cabin, as you'll see later on this video, it's not as loud. We do some field testing. You'll see that it really does open up when the throttle is open. And just overall, the reason why I think this is one of the better exhausts on the market is because of the quality. Cost-wise, roughly about $5 grand, and then the AMS Catless Downpipes, those can run right around 900 bucks. All in all, you're looking at a $6,000 exhaust system, and in my opinion, honestly, well worth it compared to some of the competitors that are on the market right now. So now, let's get into the field, do some sound tests from there. I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like, what the Titan exhaust sounds like from a launch, from neutral revs, and I'll also do a couple drive-bys for you guys. So I don't think I was at the right temp right there. That's why it didn't launch correctly, but you get the idea. All right, so now we're in the cabin, obviously. I want you guys to hear what this thing sounds like on the inside, because I think this is one of the quieter exhausts, which I'm okay with. I prefer that. Make sure it's a manual. Throttle. We're in third gear, 4,000 RPMs. Downshift to second, 4,000 RPMs in second. So you can see it's relatively a quiet exhaust, especially in the interior, or in the cabin. And yeah, I love that. I love that there's no drone, as you guys heard. Alright, so we're in manual mode again. This is just cruising now. And hopefully this comes out in the audio. All the audio that I've been recording is with the same mic that I'll be showing in this video. Although some clips you'll see when the car was black before it was wrapped, but same audio setup really. So this is with the windows up. This is with the windows down. In fourth at 3,500 RPMs. Downshift it third into 4,000. You probably can't hear, it's probably gonna be all muffled, but yeah, as you can see, like I'm third gear, 4,000 RPMs, decelerating. This is not my road. Second, and then it'll automatically put itself into first. If you guys are in the market looking for an exhaust, this video is not purposely trying to bias your views. It's really just to show you guys that it's really just to kind of show you guys if this is what you're looking for. It's not a cheap exhaust, so I know a lot of you guys are probably doing a bunch of research on it. You know, I had one of my buddies was riding with me yesterday actually. He was like, "You have an exhaust?" Because I mean, it's so quiet in the cabin. Back into fourth, and that's honestly what I really like about this exhaust. Is outside of the car, it's really weird because when I record the videos and I view them or I see other people recording my car, I don't realize how loud the exhaust is. So if you want that raw type of really loud, obnoxious feel, this definitely isn't the exhaust for you. But here we are, guys. I am approaching my house now. And yeah, I mean, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, please be sure to, you know, comment on this video. Let me know what are your guys' thoughts on this exhaust. And so thanks again for watching this video, guys. If you did like it, please hit that like button and share it with somebody that would find value in this. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.